Okay. Show that the function f of x equals 2x squared and g of x equals x exponent 4 is linearly dependent or independent. Okay, so this is a question on board. So in the idea of in the idea of linearly dependent and linearly independent, the way we used in getting the two functions, whether they are linear or not, or whether they are dependent or not, we use a wronskian formula or approach. So a man called wronskian proposed this idea. So if they give you the question, normally the f of x will be given and your g of x will be given. So we are comparing these two, whether they are linearly dependent or independent. So by using Wronskian, the idea is that we will write my Wronskian w bracket open f comma x comma g bracket close of x. So when we find the Wronskian of these two values and it's not equal to 0, then the two solutions or the two questions or the two functions are linearly independent. But when we find the Wronskian of these functions and they are equal to 0, then the two functions f and g are said to be linearly dependent. So we should note this how to find the Wronskian. So the Wronskian of f comma g, you first write the first function f into our first column, then you write the other function g into the next column. Then after that, you find the derivative of the first function. So you find the derivative of f, then you write it beneath the f. So you find the derivative, then you write it under it. Then you find the derivative of g, then you write it under it. So we will present it in this form. Then after that, we use a determinant. So we find the determinant, and to find the determinant, this is what to do. We cross multiply. So we multiply my f. So I'll cross multiply. So I'll cross multiply. So multiply my f by my g. So my f by my g prime, giving us fg prime. Then we take away minus the other component, multiplication of the other component, that's f prime and g. So then we take away their product. Okay, so we multiply diagonally too. Then we subtract the difference, or we find the difference between the two. Then we equate it to whether we don't know whether we are going to get 0 or not. So this is just a case. So it's a case where we get 0 after solving this, then it is linearly dependent. LD. LD means linearly dependent. And in the case when we find the Wronskian and it's not equal to 0, then it is linearly independent. LI. So quickly, my Wronskian of the function was given f was 2x squared and my g was x exponent 4. So I'll write my f of x. So this is my f of x, that's the f, and this is my g. So you find the first derivative. So what will be my first derivative of f? The f is 2x squared. So you multiply my 2 by the one in front. So we are going to get 4, then subtract 1 from the 2, so we are going to get 4x. And also we find the derivative of the g. giving us g prime. That one too, you multiply 4 by the whole function, then take away -1, then you are going to get 4x cubed. Then after that, we multiply the two f and the g prime. So where is our f? This are f. That is a 2x squared. So my 2x squared times g prime. So where is my g prime? This is my g prime. 4x cubed. So times 4x cubed. So 2 times 4, we are getting 8. Then x squared times x cubed, we are getting x exponent 5. Then after that, similarly for the other one too, we multiply. It's f prime times g. So where is my f prime? My f prime is this 4x. So this is my 4x times my g prime. Where is my g prime? Sorry, where is my g? Okay, so my g prime is 4x cubed. So multiply it by, sorry, it's f prime times g. So my f prime is 4x. So 4x times g. So where's my g? Sorry, my g is x exponent 4. So times x exponent 4. So you are going to get 4x exponent 5. Okay. So we take away the difference, or we find our difference minus, so this, the whole of this minus this. So we've gotten this to be this. So we take it away from this, or we subtract from f prime of g. And f prime of g too, we had 4x exponent 5. So finding the difference, we know that we are going to get 8x exponent 5 minus 4x exponent 5, giving us 4x exponent 5. And 4x exponent 5 is not equal to 0. Hence, we can conclude that since 4x exponent 5 is not equal to 0, then f of x and g of x are linearly independent. Okay, please guys, help promote my videos, share, comment, like, and subscribe for me. Thank you very much.